Hello, beautiful, beautiful people of the internet. Welcome back. And if you haven't subscribed, why? Today I have a wonderful package from Asashair. Yay! So huge thank you to them. They sent me this beautiful wig. And guess what, guys? I'm going to show you how to be the cutest girls and boys of the block. So I picked out this beautiful, beautiful wig, and I'm going to show you guys some pretty easy kawaii hairstyles you guys can do for a different fashion, or if you just feel like being extra cute that day, then I hope these hairstyles will help you out. Definitely don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. I really hope you guys liked it because I worked real hard on learning all these hairstyles. So the package does come with the wig itself. It also has a brush. I think that is super, super awesome, and then it comes with a wig cap. The wig cap does come with this incredibly beautiful, beautiful lady. Her name is Gloria. I have named her that, so if you guys have a wig cap with her on it, you should start calling her Gloria. That's just her name now. The wig I chose is an ombre wig. I don't have anything that looks like this, and I thought it was super cute. The wig itself is called Long Black Ombre Black Brown Light Blonde Wig wig, and I really like it. Almost all their wigs are around $20, which I think is insane. So here are some of their super, super, super cute affordable wigs, but if you want something more high quality, look at these. These look so realistic and they are nice wigs. This wig real pretty. Okay, let's try it on. Wow! I need a mirror. Ta-da! Yo, this is so beautiful! I went from a smelly crybaby to a superstar! Thank you everybody. Sorry, me and Fluffy are not doing autographs today. Alright, Fluffy? I'm honestly really impressed because it was so dang cheap. Like I said, it was about $23, which is insane. You guys know I buy a lot of wigs since I cosplay and do a lot of stuff. And this is one of the nicest like $20 range wig I've ever seen. I'm happy. Now let's get cute. And definitely let me know which one of these is your favorite hairstyle. I'm going to start with a little bit simpler and then get a little bit more complicated, but you can style your wigs, guys. If you have a wig, there's so many things you can do to it. You don't have to just wear it like that. You can do many things and just make it completely different. First one will be simple, just a side braid, but I'm going to get a little bit of the hair from the front, and I like that this one is a wavy, so it'll look really cute. Also, obviously, accessories are a thing. I have a fluffy one, so you can just tie a fluffy. Easy style number 2, just add cute pigtails. Next one, I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna call it the Poofy Pooferson. First, you need some old, disgusting, hairy hair ties. I really need to throw these away. Now I will attempt the hardest of them all, the bow. This one is advanced, so the only way you can actually do it is if you have hands. So let's try this out. It would be easier if I was doing it on someone else, but we gotta try.
This is when I realized I actually can't do this at all, so I hope you guys can forgive me. I'm so sorry.
And there you are. Guys, I've been doing this for almost 20 minutes. I can't get it to work. I'm so sorry. I actually have done this twice on my mannequin at school. So I was so excited to show you guys, but I can't seem to do it. I think I have to do it on the back on somebody's head. So just pretend it looks real good. Ooh, yeah, 10 out of 10. Since the last style failed, I have a new one. This one is called Wear a Headband. You can never go wrong with that. Yeah, super cute! Don't forget to vote for your favorite hairstyle. Whatever hairstyle wins will win a round trip to Disneyland. Whee! Thank you, my lovely, so much for watching. A huge thank you to Asashair for my beautiful wig. I absolutely recommend. I will leave the links down below, their Facebook, anything that they have will be down below, including their website, so you guys can check it out. I'll leave more videos over here. I have a bunch of wig stuff. I love wigs. And I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, I love you. Bye-bye.